Peleka kwa Ruto.
Sawa, nitapeleka kwa Ruto. Hiyo ndio unaogopa peke yake.
Ndio nilifanya makosa na haipo kwa kupenda kwangu. Nilikuwa nakimbia airport, nikaona jamu. Wakati nilikuwa najaribu kuovertake, nikapatana na hiyo gari ilikuwa nimefungia. So nilikuwa naomba koti nisamehe.
Even the roaster that grows the loudest must one day face the sunrise. That old African proverb perfectly fits the drama that unfolded in Nairobi after a viral confrontation involving the driver of Kibra Member of Parliament, Peter Rero, and CNN correspondent Larry Madau.
Nani yako na flash disk anaweza nisaidia? Kuna clip fulani nataka kupeleka pale State House. Nilitumwa nipelekea landlord anaitwa Ruto, so nataka kuandika jina yake kwa bahasha ni achapewe kwa gate wampatie. So chezeni kama nyinyi.
On Monday, October 13, the driver of MP Peter Rero appeared before the Mlimani Law Courts after a video showed him blatantly violating traffic laws. The clip, which spread rapidly across social media platforms, captured MP's official vehicle driving on the wrong side of the road, attempting to bypass traffic along a busy city stretch. Behind the wheels was the MP's driver, who not only obstructed other motorists but also engaged in heated confrontation when his actions were challenged. In court, the driver did not attempt to deny the obvious. He admitted to obstructing traffic and driving on the wrong lane. His defense was simply, he claimed he was in a hurry rushing to the airport. Despite his plea for lenience, the presiding magistrate was clear that no one is above the law. The driver was fined 100,000 Kenya shillings and warned that failure to pay would result in a 12-month jail term.
Ndio nilifanya makosa na haipo kwa kupenda kwangu. Nilikuwa nakimbia airport, nikaona jamu. Wakati nilikuwa najaribu kuovertake, nikapatana na hiyo gari ilikuwa nimefungia. So nilikuwa naomba koti nisamehe, sababu hiyo ndio makosa yangu ya kwanza na sijawahi fanya makosa yote kama hayo. Hii ndio yangu ya kwanza hata kuletwa kotini. Hakuna siku nimewahi kufanya kazi kama hiyo, makosa kama hiyo. So yangu ya kwanza nilikuwa naomba koti nisamehe na sitawahi rudia tena.
Okay, I have considered the offense that is before court, together with the mitigation. I've also considered the section of the law under which the accused person has been charged with. The same provides for a sentence, a fine of Kenya shillings 100,000. Therefore, I will award that as being the maximum fine under that particular section. You'll pay a fine of 100,000 in default to serve 12 months imprisonment. You have 14 days right of appeal if dissatisfied with the order of this court.
The ruling came amid intense public scrutiny following the viral video shared by Larry Madau. In the footage, Madau, who was driving lawful on his lane, refused to yield to the MP's vehicle as he tried to force its way through. The situation escalated into verbal exchange between Madau and the MP, who was seen seated in the front passenger seat. The MP appeared visibly irritated when he realized Madau was recording the encounter. The incident drew mixed reactions online. Many Kenyans praised Madau for standing his grounds and using his platform to expose the misuse of power and impunity often exhibited by those in authority. Others used the moment to question why such behavior from government officials remains rampant despite frequent calls for reform.
Enyewe Kenya kuna mambo, yani someone is driving on the wrong side, encouragedly driving on the wrong side, and he's being informed by a CCN news reporter, Larry Madau, and he's telling, peleka kwa Ruto, while he was recording, peleka kwa Ruto, takataka. We, hii Kenya. We,
Nairobi County Environment Chief Officer Joe from Kibra was among those who applauded Madau's action. He remarked that leadership must be demonstrated through example, not entitled emphasizing that even leaders must respect the same laws that govern ordinary citizens.
Rari Mado, how do you record an honorable member and you post on your social media? Rari Mado, I want to tell you this. Na nataka unisikize vizuri na mshare video mfikie Rari Mado. What you did is the right thing. Record them. Record all those people are breaking the law. Because as an honorable member, you have to do the right thing. Especially a member of parliament. You are the ones who make these laws. Then why do you break the laws? Why do we mislead? Instead of leading as example, we are misleading as an example. Nimeona natagiwa hiyo video. Naambiwa kwamba Musiria kujia takataka yako upeleke State House. Rari Mado, hiyo takataka kama umeipata, niwekee kwa flash disk, nitaipeleka State House, ifike pale, kisha yule driver aweze kuchukuliwa hatua. Waheshimiwa na waomba, kama madriver wenu wanavunja sheria, tafadhali wakataze. Hata kama uko na haraka kivipi. Kama ni emergency ambao ni mtu anaenda kufa, wacha bodyguard ashuka ambie wale wengine wako mbele, tafadhali kwa mheshimiwa. Akona mgonjwa ambaye anaenda kuchukua peleke hospitali hajapata ambulance, ama kuna mahali anakimbia mkutano, ama ameitwa mahali ambaye anaenda kurepresent watu, na hiyo kitu asipofika atapoteza msaada kwa wananchi wake. Hiyo inaeleweka.
The incident sparked widespread discussion on social media platforms such as X, former Twitter, and Facebook. Hashtags related to traffic discipline, accountability, and leadership trended for hours as Kenyans expressed frustration over the culture of impunity on the roads. For many, this case was a wake-up call, a reminder that no one, regardless of opposition or title, should be above the law. As the dust settles, the episode leaves behind a powerful lesson. Power should not be a license for arrogance or lawlessness. The street of Nairobi belongs to all citizens equally, and justice, when served fairly, restores public faith in the rule of law. Indeed, as the proverb goes, even the roaster that crows the loudest cannot stop the sun from rising sooner or later. Accountability catches up with everyone. David Charms Media, platform for bold, really and eye-opening conversations. We are committed to bringing you raw and unfiltered content that captures the pulse of society. Whether it is breaking political updates, social movements, or community stories, we present the facts with clarity and passion. Our news segments are designed to keep you informed with accurate, timely, and critical analysis that cuts through the noise and hype. We ask the hard questions and go beyond headlines to explain what it means for you. David Charms Media, we stand for truth, courage, and connection. Our mission is to amplify voices, provoke thought, and build a community that listens, learns, and acts. If you are looking for honest dialogue, fearless journalism, and relatable stories, hit that subscribe button and join the conversation today.